we're gonna try to install this IQ Shield onto this S20 Plus Samsung. See how that's gonna go. First, what I'm gonna do is clean the area, which is this particular area that I will be installing the protective shield on. I will use a regular less cleaner. Okay, and then just wipe the area down. Same thing for the phone. I'll use a glass cleaner and then just wipe the phone down and get it ready for install. Before I continue, I'll turn it off, power it off, so it doesn't turn on during the shield installation. All that little hairs and everything we have to knock out, so that new shield will be cleanly installed on it. Alright, now I'm gonna open the IQ Shield box and remove the content. I mean, we will remove the content, which was supposed to be much easier. And the contents are this cloth, that instruction, and your shields. Please make sure that this is for the right one. Looks like it is. Maybe I'll farther it down there. So I'm gonna take out the squeegee. Out of the squeegee tape. Then I'm gonna take out this light. Then what you want to do is, of course, clean your fingernails. You want to put some stuff on your fingernail, so when you install it, everything would be cool. Then put some on the cloth and wipe your phone nicely one more time. Okay. Everything seems to be clean. Now we're gonna apply a little bit of the formula on this. Then you're gonna take like so, and apply more formula on this. Then make sure your phone is clean one more time. Okay, and apply this on. Align it real good, almost like so, and over here like so. Take your squeegee and squeeze out the bubbles nicely. Sorry, it's moving a little bit, but yeah, do it in such way, and then align everything. Make sure it's aligned. So now, best way to do the sides, just have to keep on waiting till formula dries, and then just keep on pressing your fingers this way, so that sides would adhere right there. I just keep on doing this, and as you can see, it's starting to adhere to the sides nicely. And if there is any bubbles, supposedly they will disappear within a couple days, 24 hours or so. Just keep on let it dry a little bit and then keep on holding on like that, and until this is all nicely done. Usually it might take you about up to half an hour to get these sides done, maybe 15 minutes, but eventually they will adhere and your phone and protector shield is ready for use. Leave it to dry for about maybe 8 hours or so, or whatever you think, and that's how you install the IQ shield. That's how I install it. And you, I don't know, hopeful that this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching. It's been shot on 2 different cameras. It has been shot on Ultra 21, which is a very good phone. Maybe I might do a review. I got the same screen on the Ultra as I installed just now on S20 Plus phone. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.